Hello everyone, your ma'am is back. I hope you all are enjoying the online sessions and you have revised what we had discussed in the last session. Now, without wasting much time, let's move on to the next topic for session 2. Now, we will recapitulate the chapter. In session 1, we had discussed about different types of animals like mammals, reptiles, birds, and insects. I had also explained their characteristics with proper examples. Let's revise their characteristics as I had already discussed. First of all, we will see the characteristics of mammals. Mammals give birth to new babies. Their body is covered with hair and external air is present in mammals. So, these are some characteristics of mammals. Examples of mammals are cow, deer, dog, etc. Next, move on to the characteristics of birds. Their body is covered with feathers. They have beak. They lay eggs. You can see so many examples of birds like crow, sparrow, peacock, etc. Now I will explain the characteristics of reptiles. As you all know, reptiles can crawl, they lay eggs, and their body is covered with dry scales. So these are some characteristics of reptiles. Some examples are snake, lizards, crocodiles, etc. Next, we will discuss about the characteristics of insects. You all know insects have 6 legs, 4 wings. They have 2 antennae on the top of their head. Their body is covered with shell-like coverings and they also lay eggs. Butterfly, mosquito, housefly are some common examples of insects. Now come to the third point. Some animals can walk, crawl, hop, and some can fly. Some examples of animals that can walk are cow, dog, cat, etc. Some animals that can crawl are snake, lizard, crocodiles. Some animals that can hop are rabbit, kangaroo. And some animals that can fly are birds, cockroach, butterfly, etc. So these are the topics that we had discussed in our session 1. Kids, today we will discuss about the concept of wild animals and domestic animals along with some examples. So, first of all, today we will learn about the wild animals. What are wild animals? The animals which live in forest and find its own food, shelter, water and all its other needs from the nature are called wild animals. So, the wild animals do not live in your house or you cannot tame them. Wild animals are very ferocious. They can harm you, so they prefer to live in the jungle. Here are some examples of wild animals as you can see in the picture. Tiger, red panda, rhinoceros, gorilla, cheetah, elephant, bear, zebra, giraffe, kangaroo, hyena, lion, they all are the examples of wild animals. Now, I will discuss about the domestic animals. Students, what do you mean by domestic animals? Well, the animals that have been tamed and kept by the human beings are known as domestic animals. They depend on humankind for their survival. Domestic animals can live in your house. They are kept as a pet or to produce food. They do not harm us. They are not ferocious as wild animals. Here are some examples of domestic animals: cat, dog, rabbit, rat, sheep, ox, goat, buffalo, camel, horse, pig. They all are some examples of domestic animals. Some birds like parrot, cocktail are also domesticated by human beings. So they are also known as the domestic animals. Students, now turn page number 4. Look at the pictures given below. Color the animals that do not live in your house. As I explained earlier, can you tell me which animals do not live in your house? Yes, the wild animals cannot live in your house. They live in the forest. So, from this picture, you can easily identify the animals those do not live in your house. You cannot see elephant, eagle, chameleon, fish in your house. But you can see the horse, cockroach, lizard, mouse, beetle, duck, cat, dog, hen in your house. They are known as the domestic animals. Now students, you have to color the animals that do not live in your house. Referring page number 4, here I am sharing 4 pictures of these animals for your better understanding. The first one is elephant, second one eagle, third one fish, and fourth one chameleon. In page number 5, here are some incomplete pictures of animals. Complete them and write their names below. Children, here are some incomplete pictures of animals. Complete them and write their names below. Can you see? I draw some lines to complete the pictures of these animals. You can easily identify the animals now. Well, the first one is a dog, which is mammal. As you can see, the presence of external ears. Its body is covered with hair. Next one is a picture of fish. Well, fishes have scales on their body. They have fins to swim in the water. The third one is cockroach. You can see this insect in your home. You all know that it has 6 legs, 4 wings, and 2 antennae present on the top of their head. Look at page number 5. Now let's get ready, as I am going to take you all on a different and interesting journey of this topic. Students, guess who am I? Find my name in the crossword and put a circle around it. You have to find the name of the animal from the puzzle and put a circle around it. The first one is done for you. Banana is what I love eating. I spend my time jumping and leaping. Yes, you all know the answer. It is monkey. As you all know, monkey likes banana and it jumps from branches to branches on the tree. The second question is, on the walls, waves I weave, where insects stick and cannot live. Yes, the answer is spider. You know, the home of the spider is known as web. Insects stick in the web and cannot get free. The next question is, I remain awake the whole night and go to sleep in broad daylight. The answer is owl. As they can see at night, owls come out night for searching its food. The next one is, croak, croak, croak is my sound. In the water or on land, I am found. Yes, you know the answer. It is frog. The sound made by the frog is known as croak, and it is found both on land and in water. The next question is, I appear after rainfall, have no feet, so I crawl. Yes, the answer is snail. Mostly they can be found after the rainfall. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win when there is a race. The answer is tortoise. You all know the story of the tortoise and the rabbit. The tortoise won the race at the end of the story. So here the answer is tortoise. Referring page number 5, let's revise. Find my name in the crossword and put a circle around it. I have already explained the answers. Just have a quick look. Number 1, banana is what I love eating. I spend my time jumping and leaping. The answer is monkey. Next one, on the walls, waves I weave, where insects stick and cannot live. The answer is spider. Next one, I remain awake the whole night and go to sleep in broad daylight. The answer is owl. Come to the fourth question. Croak, croak, croak is my sound. In water or on land, I am found. It is a frog. I appear after rainfall, have no feet, so I crawl. Yes, it is snail. The last one is, slow and steady is my pace. I always win when there is a race. The answer is tortoise. As you can see, I made the circle in the puzzle. Now you will try this in your EVS notebook. So, dear students, let's get ready. Here I am sharing with you all some interesting questions to enhance your general knowledge. Let's begin. The first question, name one animal that protects itself with a shell. It is very easy. You all know the answer, and it is tortoise. You can see the tortoise has a shell on its back to protect itself from external environment. Come to the next one. Which insect has 8 legs and no antennae? Yes, the answer is spider. As I told you, all the insects have 6 legs and 2 antennae. But there is an exception in spider. Being an insect, spider has 8 legs and no antennae. Come to the third question. Name a nocturnal animal. Well, students, nocturnal means active at night? So, the answer is owl. Most owls hunt insects, small mammals, and other birds and fishes at night. Next one is, which animals do not drink water with their mouth? Yes, the answer is frogs. Frogs do not drink water with their mouth. They drink the water by absorbing it through their skin. Now, the last and the most interesting question is, which animal can change its body color? The answer is chameleon. The chameleons mainly change its body color in order to communicate or regulate body temperature. By lightening their skin, they can cool themselves down. On the other hand, adopting a dark complexion is a good way to warm up when it gets chilly outside. Children, here is your home assignment. You have to write these answers in your EVS notebook. Students, now I will stop my today's teaching session over here. We will continue the rest of the chapter in the next lecture. Hope you have understood. Now go through the chapter and revise it. Thank you.